Hi. Y'all know what that is? Yep, that's right. First of all, how was y'all's Black Friday and Cyber Monday? Was it crazy? I don't know. This is the only thing I bought for Cyber Monday was a 45-watt charging block. I was a little upset. Like everything that I looked at was the same price it was 3 months ago. I didn't see a single deal on anything that I wanted or that I was looking for. So, but we did get something good in the mail today. The Zero Y tripod is probably, no, it is my favorite item of 2022. You know, I bought the Peak Design tripod, but I could only afford the aluminum one, and it was so heavy. And this came through like a knight in shining armor. I love this thing. It makes hiking so much more enjoyable. I just love it. It's one downfall though, since it is so light. Like the other day, I was trying to do a long exposure on the bridge, and the cars going by, it was a little shaky, a little bit. But I can put my bag on it or whatever to help with the shakiness versus toting around a 5-pound tripod, 4.5, whatever it was. So, but I was an early adopter, and there's a downside to being an early adopter to anything really. I mean, when I bought that Galaxy Book Odyssey, I paid like $1,500 for it, and now you can get it for like 1,000. So there's a downfall to being an early adopter, and one downfall to being an early adopter of this is they now have the F38 quick release. And I am a huge fan of the F38 quick release. I have it on both cameras. I have it on this recorder over here. I mean, I use it. And they even make the little plates that work with the Peak Design capture clip. I mean, I love the F38 quick release. It's a great product. It's probably I don't even know if it came out in 22, but it's definitely one of my favorites of the year. So what I got here is I had to reach out, and since I was an early adopter, woo, cheapers, I now have the Ulanzi F38 quick release ball head. So, I mean, it's exactly the same, except for this one is Arca Swiss. And the moment this thing shipped, I realized I might have made a fatal flaw. I used the Tamron 70-200 G2, and its tripod collar has an Arca Swiss plate built into it. And this, I don't think I'll be able to use with that. But I hardly ever, really, I can't think of one time I've put that lens on a tripod. So we're going to try this one out and see how we like it. I mean, not that this one was bad. I never had a hard time with it. The first time I used it, it did kind of come loose and back off. But another good thing about it is you see on here, the level is right there. Well, when you put your camera on there, you can't see the level. Well, with the F38, they put the level. Try to get some light going here. They put the level right here. Also, I'm using a hair light, or whatever you call that. Let me know in the comments what you call that light. I got a light kind of behind me and above me on this side. So, you know, we're learning, we're doing things, we're trying new things, trying to get better footage, you know, trying to grow as a YouTuber. And speaking of grow as a YouTuber, man, I really appreciate y'all. I just can't get over how much love my Galaxy Watch 5 video got. I mean, I love y'all to death. But real talk, 99% of y'all are not subscribed. So if you're digging the content, it helps me out a lot if y'all just hit the subscribe button. All you gotta do is smash my face down in the corner. You see that little picture of my face? All you gotta do is just thump it. Just say bam, just hit my face and you're subscribed. So I would greatly appreciate it. And, you know, it kind of motivates me to keep making content. I know not all content is going to be good, but hey, I'm trying. I'm getting better. I'm learning. I got a hair light now. That's worth a sub right there. Hit the sub for the hair light. If you don't want to do it for me, do it for the hair light. Because these things cost money, you know? But if you don't want to, I get it. I will definitely earn it one day. Might not be today, but I will earn it one day. So I really appreciate y'all. This thing is going to be super easy to put on. I don't even need any tools. So let's get to it. I think I can use this guy in the bottom. And you know, talking about being an early adopter, this thing was hard to get. It was. It came from China. I had to order it from Ulanzi. It took about 3 weeks, maybe a month to get here. But now you can get this guy on Amazon, like with this ball head. You can get it on Amazon. You have it in 2 days. So that's cool. I had to wait a lot. I mean, as soon as I bought it, track package, and yeah, I tracked it all the way here every day. I was checking it 10 times a day. But now we got the F-38. Let's get it thrown on. There are some affiliate links down below. There's going to be one to Ulanzi, and there's going to be one to Amazon. So if you're not in the United States, you might want to use the Ulanzi one. If you're in the United States, use the Amazon one. You get it in a couple days, and that also helps the channel. So if you don't want to thump my face, go down to those affiliate links. We click around, shop around. Might be something cool down there you like. So I think we're gonna turn it like this. You see that? We're gonna flip this up and we're gonna go like this. We're just gonna raise it up past that line. And if we flip this thing over like this, I think we can put this guy down in here. Like that. Yep. Yeah, you still in the frame? Okay, just making sure. All right. Easy peasy. I wonder. I think the screw's in there. I'm probably going to have to. Come on. Flip that over. I think we can just put it on there anyway. Or is it only one way? There she goes. We'll try to go this way. Guess it doesn't really matter. All right, and then we're going to stick this dude in there. Twist on it. That's it. Give it a good little snug. That's torqued to 32 elbow pounds. Just double check that. Oh, there she goes. All right, we are now equipped with the. Come on now, I'm recording. Come here, girl. Come here. Don't do that. Come on. Say hey. Say hey, everybody. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Good girl. Oh, Rose. My dog is a slobber monster. Come on now. Hey. All good. We got a new ball head. Got tripod stuff. All right, let's check it out. So it is in the unlock position. This is a B camera, and we are going to see how it works. So I'm gonna push this button. Come on now. Not right now. Okay, one time. One time. Okay. All right, so we're gonna push this button and we're gonna slide it. There we go. Quick release. What y'all think? And then push this button and camera off. Oop. Camera on. Camera off. Camera on. Camera on. Oh, you don't even have to push the button to put it on. Cool. Super happy. So, yeah, that was easy. I hope you found it helpful. Ooh, did I shake the... Yeah, not too bad. She's a good girl. Sorry she interrupted, but kind of her house. You know how it goes. So if you like dogs, hit the like button. And if you like carbon fiber tripods and quick releases, hit that sub button for me. Yep. Did you hear my dog? That's going on the World Wide Web. I'm just letting you know the whole world is going to hear my dog poop. I hope the microphone caught that. Didn't need to break out the toolbox. Didn't need to do anything but swap them out. So, um, I've been really happy with this tripod, y'all. I mean, it's really been good. It's light. It feels good. It fits right in the bag. It's even got this cool little quarter 20 thread on the side if you ever want to. So I was just trying to make things up. It's got that. Um, it is a great tripod. There are links in the description if you want to get you one. Um, Not saying it's the Peak Design killer. I think Peak Design makes a great tripod if you want to mortgage your house to get it or trade off your firstborn child. But for 300 bucks, man, this thing is a banger for real. And it's even more of a banger now with that quick release plate. Yeah, I'm happy. That's going to do it for this one. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. I mean, you have no idea how much it means to me. We just passed, I think we're at like 308 subs now, but a couple weeks ago we were at 150. Like we've doubled in size in a week. And, that'd be a cool trend to keep going. Um, Never been a trendsetter, but that's one trend I would really, really like to keep going. Um, but slow and steady is good. I don't want to grow too fast. I like kind of easing into things. So, you know, uh, like I said, I just appreciate each and every one of y'all. And, I just truly am astonished that that one video got so many views. Um, I don't know. I really appreciate it. So if you found this at all helpful, you know, you know what to do. Hit the like. If you think I earned it, a sub would be cool. As always, take care of yourselves. I know you deserve it. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.